Well, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I just wanted to share something we're going to do. Next Wednesday, we're going to have a webinar, an in-depth webinar for you, explaining with no smoke and mirrors, laying it all out in front of you, no secrets, how to find super stocks. A lot of people talk about, oh, I got this and I got this and I got this, but they don't explain how they did it. How did they find it? And that's knowledge that's so important to impart to people. One of the things we love to do, one of the reasons I'm here on the face of the earth is to help people. And not just related to this, but also I was a scout leader for years, a youth group volunteer. I have a passion for helping people. I love teaching. And it's something that's on my heart. So we're going to have a webinar, and we're going to go through for you specifically how to find super stocks. You can say, well, Pat, give me an example. Every stock that you see here, we own, except one. Except one. And you'll see why in a minute. Just take a look at this. We owned this down here. We own it right down here. We still own this. All right? Right in here. And it's moving on up. Take a look at the earnings and the sales. Look at the percentage changes. There's one. Here's another one for you. We own it right here. Right there. $74, $75 a share. We're up over $30. 50% gain. Almost. IIPR. We own it right here. Around 91. We sold into strength. Came down, we sold more. Rallied back up, but on less volume. We sold more. Gapped down, we sold more. Went sideways, and then when it started losing the 8-day right in here, we sold more. And then finally on this day, when volume came into it, losing the neckline, we sold the rest. Did we sell at the top? No. No. Liars sell at the top. No. But do we make money on the way up and manage it? Yes. Yes, we did. 91 to 130, that's 40 points, 45 points we got on this. That's a 50% gain in about 2.5 weeks. But look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. The next one, bought right here. Grinding on up for us nicely. Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. Bought this right here. Note the numbers. Note the group. We own these. We own these. We have proprietary screens. This program is called MarketSmith. I was in the beta test group for the development of this product dang near 20 years ago. Boy, golly, the time goes quick. I can't believe it. It was called Daily Graphs Online. This is a wonderful program. I don't work for them. I get nothing from them. I get no rebates, no discounts, no nothing. It's strictly an arm's length transaction. I pay full price, but I can't do what I do and couldn't do what I've done without this program. And there's other good ones out there too. But the bottom line is this. With the development of our proprietary screens, we're able to find stocks like this. Next Wednesday, we're going to have a webinar. It's free. And we are going to go in depth, no stone unturned, how to find super stocks. And again, this is one of the better ones we've had in a while. We own this right down here, right in here. And that's a good move. And by the way, I'm not bragging. There's no if you're not humble, the market has many great ways of humbling you. We just work hard to try to find stocks that can make big moves. It's my background. It's what I've been doing since 1986, is trying to find great stocks. So we'll have a webinar for you where you can ask questions. We'll go in, and we'll explain things. And my goal is this, hopefully, to make it better than it is now for you. That's what we're doing. We're going to turn it up a notch. It's going to be great. Like to see you there. And that'll be next Wednesday. And again, no stones unturned. We're going to talk about screen development, criteria to help speed up your learning curve and rationale behind. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you next Wednesday.